I'm Matthew JC. We're at the best party in Texas, and I'm standing outside in the red carpet area with Bill and Juliana right here. You guys ready to have a good time tonight?
Absolutely. Yeah, oh my God, we're so excited.
Yeah, and I've heard everybody ask you the questions, who you guys are going to root for, so I might as well just ask you, who you guys rooting for?
I mean, I think at the end of the day, I'd like to see Green Bay do it. You know, they haven't done it in a while, and Pittsburgh, you know, they've got a couple of rings that they've had in the last few years. So it'd be great for Green Bay to bring the ring home.
Excellent.
I agree. They have cute outfits. So.
She goes with the outfits. That's awesome. Well, just so you guys know, we put on runway rock shows for our U.S. troops all over the world.
Oh,
we just came back from Kosovo and Germany, and we head back to Italy, Spain, Greece, and Portugal to put on our shows. And you'll see some of the other girls walking around. I've got 5 of my JC models.
Do you travel?
Yep, this is Taryn.
Nice.
Yep. So we put on, it's a full choreographed runway rock show for the troops. I mean, our band performs live. They go nuts. Kosovo, we played one place in Germany. Literally, they've been gone for 60 days. It was their first day back. The girls came out in those outfits, and I swear to God, I think I saw human beings drool.
Like, it was just I think this guy's drooling right here.
It's just.
And he saw a woman
You can't have her number, sir. I'm sorry.
But it's really exciting to have you guys here, and I know you guys are going to go inside and talk to a bunch of people, so thank you guys so much.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks for what you do for the troops.
Absolutely.
Thank you.